Hello, welcome once again to Anointing Plus I.T. Do you know that somebody can divert your calls without your notice? Do you know that somebody can divert your SMS without your awareness? This is going to help you. Follow this video. Dial this code. And send. It will give you an information if someone has diverted your call or text message or data. If it is so, then you need to cancel it. Let's try this and cancel all diverted calls, SMS and data without our consent. If you want to cancel, dial this code and send. As you can see, call forwarding when not reachable erase successful. This has only disabled only one, but there are others. So we want to erase everything completely. So dial the next code. And send. Now, the information will give you that call forwarding all erased successful. From here, you are safe. If you have found this video useful, share to your family and friends and help them to cancel all their diverted calls without their notice. Please like